Here's a contractor's truck. It was hit by a FedEx vehicle. And as you can see by the toolbox, it's slid back to about the middle of the truck. It's supposed to be up tight. And so we'll come around to the back and look. Luckily, he only just clipped it on the side. It would have been really bad if he'd have hit him dead on in the back. But as you can see, this toolbox, it's slid back about 2 foot. It's bolted on with 4 bolts. It's got about 300 pounds of tools in there. Man, this guy is really lucky that he didn't hit him square on in the rear. And man, I'm glad it's not me. So what video would be complete without a water leak? So anyway, these guys broke a corporation off of an existing 16-inch water main. You can see the guy on the track hoe. He's going to walk over there, and the water's spraying on the street. So he's going to put the bucket over, kind of contain it. That way traffic can still continue through. And you can see the guys getting out of the way. Now, this guy, he's cutting a 8-inch ductile iron pipe. It's a little bit too long, so he's gonna go ahead and cut it. As you can see, he's using a quickie saw, and this is just a standard piece of equipment. Just cuts the pipe, rolls it around, cuts it until the end is loose. And that's all you have. There it is. So quick and easy. Now here, I'm going to need some help with this. This is a AT&T. It's a telephone company. They've got a manhole. You see AT&T, and it has a lot of water in it. There's 12 duct banks, 4 foot wide, or 4 duct banks wide, 3 duct banks deep, and they're pumping it full of nitrogen. As you can see, is refrigerated liquid. Now, if anybody can let me know in the comments why they are doing this, I certainly would appreciate it. I see it all the time, but I don't know why. And here the contractor, they're installing 16-inch PVC C900 with the self-locking joints. So what they're going to do is they're going to lower this down. Now, this is about, 10, 12 feet below the existing ground elevation. You can see some water in there. That's from the boring rig. They have to use water when they bore. They push the pilot, and then when they cut it back, and of course they clean all the muck out. So this guy, he's going to line it up, the guy at the far end. And once he gets it lined up, they're going to set it down, and the strap that's holding the pipe, they're going to loosen that up, and they're going to slide it towards the other end. There you go. Watch him slide it down. Now, once he gets it down a few feet, he'll hook it back up, and then the track hoe, as you can see, they've taken the bucket off. They don't need the bucket. And now they'll hook it back up, and the operator, he'll just slide the pipe back until it's what we call home. It usually slides about 8 inches. And then they'll lock it and ready for the next joint. So anyway, this is just a few odd and end clips of something that I add extra. I've got some other videos that I'm working on. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment. Any future videos, leave it in the comment. And as always, thanks for watching. Hope to see you on the next video.